Today I want to show you a new application that I developed called the Generative AI Transformation Playbook Assistant. And this is an application that will actually give you a kind of first draft for a generative AI transformation plan. So if you as a company wants to transform your organization, capturing and leveraging generative AI, this could be a first step in helping you without paying excessive amount of money to consultants. So let me show you how this application works. So here we have the application, which is called the Generative AI Transformation Playbook Assistant. And the first thing we will need to do is to get a Croc API key, because this application runs on Llama. And by using a Croc API key, we can actually use Llama for free. So we need to go to this website of Croc. And if you are not logged in, you need to log in, of course. And here you have different options to log in. So you can create a login with an email. You can also log in with your Google. So I'm now logged in with my Google account. And so when you're logged in, you get this screen. And here you can see you can click on API keys, create an API key. You have to call it a name. Now we can call it test, submit. So let's go back to our application. So now we copy paste our Croc API key in the application. And the next thing we have to do is to give a name of or the description of your company. Now, in this case, I have asked ChatGPT to create an hypothetical company, which is called Expat Consulting. So this will be the example that you use. So here is quite an extensive description of the company with a mission statement, core values, services offered. So let me simply copy paste that into the application. So here we go. And subsequently, you will also have to answer a number of multiple choice questions about the strategic readiness of your company regarding generative AI. And I will now quite randomly click some things. You also have to ask some questions about the readiness in terms of use cases. So again, we can now quickly, simply randomly answer some questions regarding the digital architecture of your company. Also, these are simply some multiple choice questions that you need to answer, and about the human readiness of your company. So now we have provided all the necessary information, and now we can simply start clicking on Start Analysis, and then the application starts running. You can see here it's running, and now we have to briefly wait. So now in the background, there are a number of agents that are actually analyzing the company to see what is kind of the readiness of the company. And based on that analysis, it will give you some recommendations. So now it's already ready. So now we first get a kind of evaluation of the strategic readiness of the company, core strengths, core weaknesses. So this is based on the information that you will provide. But then the most interesting part is about here. So you have the digital readiness, use cases, use case readiness, architecture readiness, human readiness. And here actually it provides you even an extensive transformation plan. What kind of digital vision could you develop? What are kind of use cases you could develop? And so this is still the pillar. Here are the use cases that you can develop. So here it will give you 2 use cases. It will give you recommendations regarding your digital architecture, what you can do, what you need to do. And finally, it will give you recommendations on the human readiness. So in this way, you can see that in a very short time, providing some basic information, these agents can help you to create a first extensive draft of a generative AI transformation plan for your company. So please check it out, experiment with it, and please let me know whether it made sense or not, because this kind of feedback could be very helpful for me. Okay, thanks for watching this video and good luck with using the application.